Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PIR. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Quite a bit of people talking about this one today. Big gap down, whole lot of volume, so want to get things updated here from the technical perspective. And when I say a whole lot of volume, I mean you look at today's volume bar, which you can see right there, and then you run a comparison, and it's not even close. There was somewhat close, but even with that, still by far the biggest volume this one has had in a long time. And definitely, like I said, a lot of eyeballs on this one, so want to get some things mapped out here from the charting perspective, especially from the overall technical perspective. The chart bounced off of a very logical area, and the price is still flirting down here right around this very important level of support. And this area is right here at $4. And you can see going through the past history of the chart that $4 has a whole lot of track record, a whole lot of history right around this area. You can see right there, bears try to press down through, but the bulls held strong. Bears tried again, held strong. Bears tried again, held strong. And then fast forward to today, once again, bears tried again and held strong. And you also notice that all these other times the price got down around here, there were some nice little bounces that followed. That was actually a pretty big bounce. There's a little short-term decent bounce. There is a bounce. So now that just brings up the question, is history going to repeat itself? Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish trading was this easy. Just because it has bounced every single time previous to this does not mean it's guaranteed to bounce again. Again, I wish there was a such thing as guarantees in the market, but that just doesn't exist. Now, would it be shocking to see it bounce? No. Like I said, as past history shows us, it does have a track record of bouncing from this $4 mark, but that doesn't mean it's guaranteed to happen, but it also wouldn't be shocking if there is some sort of bounce. Now, in the event there is a bounce, where are some of these key levels of resistance at? The main one to focus on first is going to be the very famous 50-day simple moving average, which is being denoted there by that purple line, and that value is at $4.50. So in the event there is some sort of bounce, the key overall area, from the charting perspective, is at $4.50. A little shorter term area, as far as resistance would be concerned, right here at what is that? About $4.20. So very short term, $4.20. But yeah, from a broader sense, $4.50, that 50-day simple moving average is going to be the next key level of resistance. Any way you slice it, though, the price is now at a very, very technically interesting area. A very interesting quote unquote storybook point. So we'll see if history can repeat itself and if it can get some sort of bounce going forward. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.